Good morning, children.
Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Morning, ma'am.
Okay. So today we'll not go to our regular class session. Today is what special class which I'm going to take for you all. Okay. So before going for this, I'll show you something on screen. Yes. Virtual tour to Uttarakhand. So we are going uh, now to Uttarakhand. Okay, imagine that we are traveling to Uttarakhand now. So where is this Uttarakhand? In which country it is? Where is Uttarakhand? In India. Have you met have you met that Uttarakhand? Have you met Uttarakhand? Okay, shall we go to Uttarakhand today? No, you don't want to go to Uttarakhand? Okay. So physically we are not going to Uttarakhand, but uh, we can capture the things which you see in Uttarakhand. Okay. So many places are there in Uttarakhand where you can see. But now I'm going to take you one part of Uttarakhand that is related to science. Okay. Before that, tell me how many states are there in India? Okay. 28. So is Karnataka state or district? Then what about Uttarakhand? Uttarakhand is also state. Okay. So now, yes, present in north side. Very good. Next, welcome to the tour of Uttarakhand. Yes, now we are entering to Uttarakhand. Are you entering into Uttarakhand or no? Can you see that path? Students,
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
are you able to see that path of Uttarakhand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So welcome you all to Uttarakhand. Just have a look on this place of Uttarakhand, how the mountains are located there, and the roads, the greenery part, the sky, beautiful sky. Yes? Okay. Yes?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming. Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Okay. So now we entered into Uttarakhand. Just we'll have a look on the next part of Uttarakhand. So can you guess actually what we are going to see in Uttarakhand? Can you guess? Imagine that you are in Uttarakhand now. And I told that the place which we are going to meet is about two related science. Now can you just imagine what we are going to see in Uttarakhand now? Hello? Can you hear me? Students, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next one, we'll see. Yes.
Ma'am, we cannot hear you.
You cannot hear me.
Ma'am, this is
Okay, now we'll enter into the solar system, the universe of Uttarakhand. Okay, so the thing which we are going to meet is the regional science center which is located in the Dehradun. So Dehradun is one of the capital of Uttarakhand. Okay, so today we are going to virtually meeting to the regional science center which is there in Dehradun, and Dehradun is located in the Uttarakhand which is the capital of Uttarakhand. Okay, so next one, just have a look on this regional science center. Okay, so how it is, are you able to see that science center? Is it visible to you all? Okay, so this is what the regional science center, which is there in Dehradun. So you can see the infrastructure, you can see the campus, or how it is being built, and the path where we can enter to the regional center or the regional science center. Okay, so next one is, you can see the external view of this science center. So how about this external view? Means the outside of the science center, how the infrastructure, what about the infrastructure, how that building has been built, and how the what architecture has been designed to locate that science center. You can have a just look on this. So the external view of the science center, this is what the entrance of that science center. So here near this entrance, you can see the many statues of scientists where it is been located exactly by the side of this path. Okay, this is the entrance of Regional Science Center. Beside that, you can see the many statues of scientists, and below that, uh, in this what tiles, uh, there has been the biodata or the biography of these all scientists has been displayed. You can understand uh, these scientists biography, the birth date, the death date, or the in which field they have invented or discovered the something, which you can understand it by biography which has written on these tiles. Okay, so this is what the first part over here which you can see in this screen. Next one is dinosaur park. Okay, Jurassic Park. You can see which is there exactly the outside in that science center. Okay, so one of the garden is located here in this science center where you can see the many types of the statues of animals like Jurassic Park or the dinosaur or elephant, and the greenery part in that garden. Okay, next is, okay, the science lab. Here you can see the lab, or you can see the museum like structure. These are what some external view which you can see on your screen of this science center. Okay, next is the internal wave of this regional science center. Yes, so what things you can see in this regional science center? You already know that science center is nothing but where you can see the lab, you can see the what museum. You can see the biological instruments and the related structures, instruments, materials, and about scientists who has invented what, everything you can see in the science center. And among that, this regional science center is also having such kind of things where you can see. So what is there inside that science center? So first one is robotics. Yes, obviously you can see the robotics inside that science center. Here you can see the mechanical energy. Okay, so how that machinery works is done, how the robotic parts have been done. It is everything located in that science center. Next one is biology center. Oh wow, it is what biology center where you can see the living things parts and they are everything about history. It is being located in the biology lab, which is also located in this science center. Next is the thing which you can see, the fun with mirror. Yes. So this already you have seen in Karnataka, again in Karnataka, the Dharwad, okay, Dharwad Science Regional Center. So same thing, this regional science center which is there in Dehradun, it is also consists of this fun with mirror. So this is also one where it is in Science Center of Dehradun. Next one, fun with musical instruments. Yes, so there also you are able to see many kinds of instruments, the instruments which were used in ancient period of time, and the vessels made by copper or made by the jute or even by the again brass and the tabla. These all are what some musical instruments and the vessels which have been used during the ancient period. So this is what the exactly the internal view of that regional science center in Dehradun. Next is, yes, we'll go for history of regional science center. So now till now we have seen what is there in the regional science center of Dehradun. Now we actually wanted to know who has invented and during what period this regional science center has been located. Yes, here you can see. Okay. Dehradun is the capital of Uttarakhand as we learned it before, and it gets first science city on the 3rd February 2016. Yes, Uttarakhand, again in Uttarakhand you are able to see the capital Dehradun where it got its first science city on 3rd February 2016. So it was inaugurated by the time of CM Shri Harish Rawat ji. Okay, so in 2016, the CM called Shri Harish Rawat ji. During their period, this regional science center was inaugurated. Okay, so on the second anniversary of this regional science center, which is there in Dehradun, that was done in the February 2018. So the second anniversary was held on February 2018 of this regional science center. Government of Uttarakhand inaugurated the biodiversity park in the Vigyan Dham. Okay, so again this Uttarakhand inaugurated biodiversity in Vigyan Dham, which this is also one of the famous place in Dehradun. Okay, next is let us have some points, which is exactly the tourist attraction. So what all things you can see in at regional science center. So the things which are very really attracted by the tourist. So which are those things? First is a 3D theater. Obviously, all the science centers are containing these 3D theaters. Next, you are able to see their library where you can see many kinds of books, journals, projects, right? Then 200 sitting capacity auditorium. Yes. So even you can see what 200 sitting capacity means. 200 people can sit in one auditorium, which is there in Regional Science Center. Next one, as you know that we have seen before, Dinosaurs Park. Yes. So this Dinosaurs Park is also located beside of that Regional Science Center. And one more is Himalaya Gallery, Innovation Hub, Science Park, Exhibition Hall, Meeting Hall, and Park, etc. Yes. So these are what the things which you can see in Dehradun or the Regional Science Center. Next is, what is the next attraction of the tourist? Things to do in Science Center. Okay, you already came to know that many things are there in the Science Center. Okay, so what all can be done in that Science Center? Actually, what things can be done? Okay, watch 3D movies, read books in library, explore science related exhibition. Many exhibition is there where you can see the practical things or the models. Okay, models of science or any related to science. The models has been kept in that science center. Enjoy food and learn about the science. So these all can be done in science center. Next one, best time to visit. So what is the best time to visit that Dehradun Science Center? That is summer season in Dehradun, March to June. Next one, winter season in Dehradun is October to February. Monsoon season in Dehradun, that is July to September. These are some what seasons where we can visit that regional science center located in the Dehradun. Right? So thank you, students. So this is everything about what? Regional Science Center, which is located in the